Hi, this is Steve Nomura. I bought this property yesterday. For the first time, I closed online. I didn't go to title company. Title company myself set out on the online and they close the deal. All right, I'm gonna show you inside a little bit. This is a Cape Cod style, 2-bedroom upstairs, 1-bedroom first floor, and 1-bedroom on the basement. There's a 1 bathroom here in the basement. Then nice size of living, dining, and then family room in the basement. And then we're gonna do some kind of small rehabbing work, not so much. We don't demolish so much. We just update most of the areas. Okay, first, if you look at the walls, okay, this kind of shape, okay, people are gonna, oh, these are 30, 40 years old, right? Therefore, we're gonna change to go straight to the ceiling and make a rectangle shape. Then this room, okay, if you look at the ceiling, we have some kind of small line. Therefore, we're gonna skim coating and make nice ceiling. We're gonna install 6 can light, 1 ceiling fan lights. This is a dining, same thing. We're gonna skim coating and then make a smooth ceiling and then install 1 chandelier in the center. All right, this is a bathroom on the first floor. Simply, we're gonna take out everything, then make a new bathroom. Of course, bathroom and kitchen is always the most important part. Therefore, especially the bathroom, if you look at this kind of condition, it's 30 years old. We're gonna take out everything, and we're gonna take out this one soffit to go all the way to the ceiling. We're gonna make a nice bathtub here. We're gonna install new sink, new mirror, light fixture, and 1 light in the ceiling. Also, 1 vent in the ceiling. Okay. Oh, this is a bedroom. We don't change so much. We just paint and then install a new light fixture in the center. This is a nice kitchen cabinet, the countertop. But unfortunately, this is we don't have any space to put the microwave. Therefore, I decided to change only on the upper part to 42-inch cabinet. Therefore, we're going to take out soffit in the top. We can install 42-inch cabinet. We're going to install the microwave here, the stove. Then over there, the refrigerator. And then here, if you look at the floor, there's some cracks on the floor. These tiles. Then we're going to take out all tiles and install the vinyl planks. Okay. And let's go to the second floor. By the way, this is a door right now, but we're going to close the door. We're going to make a regular wall. We're going to install the pantry here, and then we're going to start stairs to the second floor from the living room side. Okay. All right. We have a two bedroom on the second floor. We don't just there's nothing to do so much, but we're going to change the light fixture. We're going to install 2 mount lights. Then we're going to change the light fixture on the closet. Then we're going to change the shoe molding, also baseboards to the nicer one. Okay. We're going to change the door too. Then here, we're going to change the door. They put the new light fixtures. Then paint in the entire room. That's it. Also change the baseboards too. All right, let's go to the basement. This is the basement. I'm standing in the family room. Okay, there's a 1 bedroom here, the 1 bathroom, furnace room, utility room, then the laundry room. Then in this family room, okay, we're gonna install the new vinyl planks on the floor. That's it. Then in this bedroom, it's a nice size, but there's no closet. Therefore, we're gonna extend this wall to this side, and then we can make a closet for this bedroom. And then here, there's a utility room, the vent for the utility room. And we're gonna install door. And from here, going to the utility room. Right now, the bathroom and utility room are connecting with each other. So we're gonna separate those 2 rooms. We're gonna make a door to the utility room from here. And this is a 1 small bathroom. We're gonna demolish everything. We can make a new bathroom here. Then this is a laundry room. Not so much to do. We just install the 1 lights. Then here also, it's a storage. Okay, the big size storage. We changed that. We installed glassbook windows. That's it. Then this is not such a big work. Maybe light rehab or serious fixing up. And it takes maybe 2 months to finish this one. Okay, then I'm thinking just I'm thinking to do just regular rent, long-term rent. And I'm going to show you the result later. Thank you.